Welcome everyone, Team 7 on another adventure. Today's adventure will be coming to you from Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure. Currently trying to get into the parking garage. It is at this point I realize I have free valet parking. Why am I in this line? Interesting, very, very interesting. Here's the obligatory shot. We're in. I love this bridge here. I love the saying, the adventure begins. Sort of the way we live our lives. I'm gonna head back to Hogwarts real quick, or Hogsmeade, to see what's going on over there with the Harry Potter roller coaster. Rumored to be called Hagrid's Mystical Creatures, or I believe Hagrid's Mystical Creatures Motorcycle Adventure. Man, that's a mouthful. Yeah. But whatever they call it, I'm definitely going to be on it. I love roller coasters. And can't wait for it to open. They still haven't said anything as of yet. But I keep checking. I'll keep waiting. But we're going to head over there. We're going to do a quick update. See where they're at with all the construction. I've seen a bunch of pictures. If you want to see some great aerial footage or aerial photos, head over to Twitter, BioReconstruct on Twitter. He's got some great photographs. In fact, of all the construction going on here in Central Florida. I really thought today would be a great day to come. Being yesterday was President's Day, he had pretty much all the Florida, Georgia schools off, except for Osceola County, because Osceola County doesn't celebrate President's Day. They celebrate Rodeo Day the Friday before. Don't ask. But I thought when I first moved out here, I thought it was strange. But ain't no joke. It's the truth. But yeah, I thought today would be a better day. But it looks like it's gonna be a busy day. I know Disney's been very busy this week. Of course, I work in that area, so I get to see it and experience it firsthand. I thought maybe Universal, not so bad. But then again, I did spend 20 minutes this morning looking for the keys for my truck. And they were in my pocket all along. I tell you. Went around the corner into Hogsmeade. Greeted by Crane. And the Crane. Oh. It's always the best time to get on that train. That train is not long at all early in the morning. It's only 10 minutes. Then again, you just got here. Why would you want to switch parks so early? This is where I was standing last time. You can see in the background. I have a roof on the building. Also some other building work in the back. You can see. It's coming along. Definitely coming along. Still no release date, no opening date. At least, not one that I can remember right now. You already know. See the top of one of the buildings, the facade. I want to call it the Cathedral. It has all that stonework, it looks like stained glass. That's what it reminds me of. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk to the other side and check out all the construction at the Jurassic area, the Jurassic Park area. And then I'll head back, jump on the train, and hopefully I can get a better view through the bushes like I did last time of the construction area for Hagrid's roller coaster or Harry Potter's roller coaster. I'm getting used to calling it Hagrid's roller coaster. I've been calling it that for quite a few months now. Over there, let's check the wait times of the Forbidden Journey. See what the wait time is. Park's been open now for an hour. 75-minute wait. "75 minutes. So I found out the wait time posted was wrong. It's really 90 minutes. It's a 90-minute wait. So you already know. You already know your boy not doing it. So here in Jurassic Park section, we do got berries up on both sides. I believe the roller coaster that they're building, the Jurassic coaster, so to say, will be twisting around the Discovery Center. I'm going to go around to the Discovery Center. I don't believe nothing's been officially announced on that either. But, you know, the whole building permit thing, those pesky building permits, they tend to get in the way. And a lot of us stay ahead of what's going on. Through that means, as you pass by the Discovery Center, as you can tell, there isn't any walls on this side, which makes me wonder if it's going to cross over. If it's going to cross over the path over there. Here we are. Voila. Looks like construction has begun. Sometimes I have good ideas. I was like, why don't I just go inside the Discovery Center? I know there's windows on the back side. Go look out those windows. Let me see what I can see. So apparently construction has begun on the Jurassic coaster. I'm wondering, since there's... Anyway, I'm going to go around. I'm going to try to get a better angle. I'm going to go to little Popeye's Island area over there on the walkway and try to get a better view. So apparently the roller coaster is going to cross over this walkway. And some way, shape, or form, I believe. Because why else would they be blocking off both sides if the coaster wasn't going over the walkway? Nice. River Adventures. 5 minutes. Definitely looks like River Adventures is that one ride. Like I said, every park has that one ride. Very short wait. And here at Universal Islands of Adventure today, it is River Adventures. To be honest with you, it's a great day to get wet. It's very humid right now. I'm not complaining. Can't shovel the humidity. Or you don't have to shovel the humidity. So believe me, I am not complaining. Skull Island, Reign of Calm. Current wait time is 25 minutes.
If you don't think you're brave enough to find out what exactly is parked up there on that giant wall, come on.
5 minutes. Bilge Rat Barge. Wow. Looks like we have two rides here. Both of them are going to require you getting a little wet. It looks like the two water rides have minimal waits. The Olive, Me Ship the Olive, little play area. I've been coming here for years and didn't even know this was here. It's crazy. Oh, they all wet in there. Every last one of them. Every last one of them was soaked. And it's funny too, because you come around the water raft and you come around that ship. Never realized that that was like a little play area for children. And apparently I'm not the only one. As you can see, there's 2 people on it right now, so I don't feel so bad. Jurassic Coaster Construction has already begun. In fact, it looks like it's been going on for quite a while from this vantage point. Even a blind squirrel finds a nut every once in a while. I had no intentions of updating on the Jurassic coaster. No intentions at all. In fact, I couldn't even remember. I couldn't even remember that it was there. But I gotta tell you, whatever, whenever. Not just a hashtag. Pretty much my way of life. Same thing with all these vlogs. I didn't plan on having all these vlogs. I was planning on doing a couple of things and just wait into the cruise and vlog the cruise like we've been doing. But these guys keep watching. Keep watching, keep subscribing. You know, channel is just organically growing. Starting to become a little community. So, and I love the interactions. I like helping people. I love answering questions. I have no problem with that. So every time I see new subscribers, new comments, thumbs up, it makes me want to just keep doing it, keep recording, keep creating content, putting it out there on YouTube for you, for all of you to enjoy. All 27 of you. But yeah, so you keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep hitting that like button. I'll just keep doing this every week. Who knows where it's gonna go from here? Who knows? Already above 10,000 steps. I was walking, I felt my Fitbit vibrate. I was like, what? So a little fireworks display. This tongue of mine's, boy, I'll tell you. I had it about a month now, and I still can't get used to it. But yeah, so the little fireworks on the display. I was like, no way. Oh yeah. So if you're ever wondering how many steps you're gonna take in these parks, I can't tell you from experience. If you're here about 7-8 hours, you're definitely gonna have over 30,000 steps. If you're like us anyway. Because we walk here, there, back, forth on these rides, this, that, the other thing. So every time we're in the park for a day, we're always over 30,000 steps. Captain Marvel jacket. See that? And it was leather. That's pretty cool. That has definitely got my approval. That's a pretty cool jacket.
The Hogwarts Choir! Thank you, one and all. We're going to have 5 more concerts today, so do come and join us and enjoy the rest of your stay in Hogsmeade! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all so very much for joining us. Thank you.
The building they're working on last time. See the track coming right out of the window. So you already know you're gonna smash through the window in the cathedral. Already know. Okay, so here I am on the Universal side, Universal Studios. And I came here for two reasons. One, I came because I had to get on the train to show you that point of view where you can see that little cathedral area with the roller coaster crashing through the stained glass. And two, I recently found out, well, I was recently told, you can find Dole Whips here at Universal Studios. And I'm on my way to confirm that. Because right now I cannot confirm nor deny. I just heard you can buy Dole Whips now at Universal Studios. So I'm on my way. I'll have some answers. I'll have some answers here in just a second. I don't know why I'm always so surprised to see how busy these parks are on school days. I think we're witnessing the collapse of traditional schooling. I think so. Of course, there's a lot of people here. And we're talking about these two parks. I know Disney's busy. Wow. Anyway, that's just my opinion. Comment below if you think I'm right, but I am always so surprised to see how many kids are actually here in these parks. Schwab's Pharmacy. Well, I was told you can purchase a Dole Whip. Let's go find out. There it is. And there it is. You saw it firsthand. They do have Dole Whips at Universal Studios. It's Schwab's Pharmacy by Scooby-Doo and Friends. Huh? Well, I don't know. Now, I normally don't do stuff like this, but it's just me, by myself. Just me, all alone. So that's what I'm having. I'm having Italian meat pizza at the Red Oven. At Red Oven Pizza. Italian meat, had some olives on it, and some prosciutto and stuff. Man, that was quite possibly one of the best pizzas I've ever eaten. I've been to that place a few times. I just wish I would have known about that pizza sooner. By the end of Mardi Gras, this tree will be full of beads. A lot of beads down on the ground also. Whenever you come out to Mardi Gras, make sure you pay homage to the bead tree on your way out. Okay, I'm headed back to the car and sticking with the whatever, whenever topic. I just had an idea. I'm going to drive by the construction area of Universal's fourth park, which is, I believe it's going to be called Fantastic Worlds. Universal's Fantastic Worlds. That's what it's rumored. Who knows? But anyway, I'm going to drive by and show you what that looks like, since everything went pretty smooth today. Obviously, this guy ran into somebody before, but thank God it wasn't me. I checked. And also, for those of you who said, what fourth park? Universal only has 2 parks and a water park. Nope. Volcano Bay is considered Universal's 3rd theme park. So the new park that they're currently building will be considered its 4th theme park. So, yeah. I don't know where the line is. I don't know where the criteria is between a theme park and a water park. I thought I knew, but apparently I was mistaken. There's Universal's new resort. Well, I should say new resorts. Right on the site of the Wet n Wild. It'll be called Surfside. And they got the other one on this side, which is going to be called Dockside. Get it? Universal's fourth park. And I said rumored to be called Fantastic Worlds. Right now it's just a bunch of dirt being moved, getting the ground ready. I do believe this is where the Super Mario World is going to be. Makes a lot of sense. You don't have to modify anything, close anything down. And then the go-away green fence. Okay, I'm back home. Getting ready to get out the car and hopefully edit this video today and have it up later on today. If not, it'll definitely be up tomorrow. It was a long night. Well, I was just up all night and woke up early and whatever. You know the drill. Like, you know what? I always get tongue-tied. I'm just going to make a little thing at the end of this and you already know what to do. Until the next adventure. Deuces. Also, before I go, thank you very much for watching. Those of you that follow the vlogs, like and comment and share. It is really, 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 really appreciated. And to be honest, without yous, I wouldn't continue to do this. So, thank you very much. And